So I just got my sectional couch from PNZOZO set up, and in this video I'm going to do a quick overview of the process and also show you what it looks like when it is fully set up. But overall I'm super happy with the fabric on this. I love the corduroy. It's got a real nice soft feel to it, and it really does feel like you're sitting on a cloud. As for the setup process, there's no assembly or anything like that. It's just going to come in two separate boxes. Once you take it out of the box, it's going to start expanding for you. They say give it about 72 hours to fully expand, but right out of the box, it's pretty much like 80% of the way there. So if you start using it right away, just give it the 3 days for it to fully take shape. My favorite part about this couch is the chaise lounge section of it. This is like the perfect TV watching area, or maybe you want to read a book or just kind of lay back on it. It's super comfortable to lay on. And I'm about 6 feet tall, and I have more than enough room. I could be even way taller than that, and my feet aren't hanging off the end of it, which I do like a whole bunch. Another great thing too, if you want to take a nap on it, you can lay horizontal. More than enough room, and like I said, I'm 6 feet tall, so you could be way taller than 6 feet and be able to fit on this couch comfortable, which is perfect. Overall, this couch is a perfect combination of comfort and support, and with having no assembly time on it, it's the perfect couch just to get pulled out of the box, set up in your living room, and start enjoying right away. So I'm a big fan of it. I give it 2 thumbs up.